Anthony, I feel so sick from eating all of that cake.
Yeah, but we can't just throw it all away. If there's a way to save it for later.
Freezing it would just make the taste and texture weird.
How about we just look up new ways to freeze the cake?
Good idea. In search of refrigeration, flash freezing, air sealing, and all of that stuff. Wasting your money and reducing food waste.
It's the superhero you always been waiting for. We have leftovers.
Step 1. Open up your no food wasting. And then step 2. Put your algae bowl inside of the flash freezer.
And then step 3, make sure the plastic goes on top of the bowl so it can suck all the air out.
Spew the liquid onto the algae bowl while it's still air-filled.
Step 4, make sure
Make sure that the blower is on.
yeah.
Let's close it.
Okay.
Ta-da! The food is frozen. You need gloves to take it out. The chemicals that were used inside of this thing are really, really cold. So
We did it!